Gardening mistakes to avoid. Every gardener makes mistakes, especially in the beginning, but learning from them is what leads to true success. One common mistake is overwatering, which drowns the roots and invites disease. Plants need water, but they also need air in the soil, so balance is essential. Another mistake is planting in poor soil without improving it. Soil is the foundation of gardening, and without rich, healthy soil, plants struggle to grow. Many gardeners also make the error of overcrowding, placing too many plants in a small space, which causes competition for light, water, and nutrients. Using too much fertilizer is another pitfall, as excess chemicals can burn roots or weaken plants instead of strengthening them. Some beginners also ignore the importance of sunlight, placing plants in spots that are too dark or too harsh for their needs. Skipping regular pruning and not removing dead leaves can also affect plant health. And perhaps the biggest mistake is impatience, expecting plants to grow instantly when nature always takes its own time. Avoiding these mistakes means listening to your garden, observing carefully, and giving each plant the right conditions it needs. Gardening is not about perfection, it is about learning, adjusting, and growing alongside your plants. The fewer mistakes you repeat, the more joy and success your garden will bring you. How to save seeds at